Welcome to the introduction video of my new video course about how to create some kind of Galaga style, 3D game. In this game, you will learn everything about, or most important stuff about particle systems. You will learn about how to create, buttons, of course, text elements, some animations over here as well. You're gonna learn how to interact with different enemies and stuff. We're gonna blend in text. We're gonna get score when we are shooting down. We also create all this fancy animations as well. We're gonna go over into all these effects like the trails on the spaceships. We are learning how to destroy them, how to actually let them fly onto a pass. As you can see over here, we are designing all these passes by hand by creating our own pass creator or pass script. We're gonna have the possibility to lose a life as well. We are going to go over and cover it so that the formation is spreading out, and of course the enemy ships are going to be able to shoot you down whenever they are coming out of that and going out of this diving stage. We're gonna create this little game over scene where we're gonna be able to score or save score into or show score into, as well as what the highest level you actually have reached. We are able to touch the screen to continue by hitting the mouse, and we're gonna go back to the basic menu scene. All of that and probably even more is going to be seen in this complete Not Galaga tutorial series. So I hope you're gonna be my next student. So come over here and grab your course. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my new Not Galaga course tutorial series.